bonds absorb so much, you can do one room on one side, another room on the other side of the line.
Yeah, if you want to, you can change them more frequently. You can wash them out more frequently. It's whatever you feel comfortable with. Yeah.
If you feel the need, you can do it wherever you want.
Since this is a Friday, we're going to rake these carpets when we're done, and we're going to be able to come back tomorrow and take a look at this and see if we think it needs anything else. So, if for some reason the carpets don't look good after 24 hours or whatever, you know, why is the top of the machine all wet?
So I'm going in there. That's just a patina developing.
Okay.
All right. Here we go on another one. Oh, and if you show them those mustard stains, there's some,
there's some mustard stains over
and
here.
they don't care about getting them out.
They're years old too.
They don't care about them, so we're not getting them out.
There's a little bit of a red there. They don't care because it's not enough to really
Here's
matter.
Some dirt right here. Let's see if it takes it out. It's going to. Watch.
Some of it's, it's going to be fine.
Boom, it's gone. All you got to do is let the machine just sit there and hover. See how I hold it with my fingertips? They don't take off on you.
Don't do that.
But anyway, the machine won't go out of control on you. But when you find a stain there, you just hover. And just let it hover until it takes it out.
Yeah, remember this is an orbital motion. It's not just turning circles.
It's not rotary.
Yeah, it's not a rotary motion. It's an orbital motion, so it's kind of an egg-shaped pattern that goes in, and it's random. So you're actually able to scrub the carpet fibers from all sides, and it does a really good job of cleaning down to the base of the carpet, because it really whips those fibers around and cleans them, and it's gentle. So you're not going to have to worry about what's called carpet tip bloom, things like that.
Look at the control. I mean, I'm not even. A girl that's 19 as a housewife can use these things.
So simple a gorilla can operate it.
I am.
And there's the proof.
Yeah, the living proof.
Now leave your comments in the section below.
If it was difficult, I wouldn't do it. I don't like hard work. You know, I've outgrown it. So it's easy. Yeah, I guess I'll get all the way to the.
Make sure you hit like on the video. And
if you like it,
you know, you can hit. This is something that you might want to keep in mind on people's videos. Some people come along sometimes, they like to put thumbs down on our videos, and I get that. But what you don't realize is you're actually helping the video.
You're promoting us.
You're helping to promote the video, because interaction of any kind with a video is what YouTube looks for as a sign of a video that's worth promoting.
So give us a thumbs down.
So if you want to give a thumbs down, you're not really hurting anything. You're actually helping the video to actually do better.
We're like, yay!
Yeah.
It don't hurt us at all. It makes us laugh. Whoever you are, we laugh at you, and we appreciate your helping us out.
Yeah, and we have the comments on our videos are all set till the comment has to be approved before it goes up. So if you leave a negative comment or if you troll, nobody's ever going to see it.
You're not going to get up there.
And we don't really even. We glance at them, and if it's a bunch of negative stuff, we just delete it. So it's not like we sit around and discuss the comments somebody left. So I know there's people that like to go around and thumbs down people's videos and leave nasty comments, and you know, it does hurt some people's feelings, I guess. But it's just kind of
don't bother us.
It's a waste of time. Plus, if it's bad enough, we'll report it. If it's bad enough that we report it, you're looking at getting your channel that you used to comment from getting strikes against it and possibly getting taken down, which you don't necessarily want.
It's gone. Oh, and another thing, just in case anyone wonders, we never prefabricate stains on our carpets just to make a cool video.
No.
Well, what you see is the reality of what we're dealing with.
It's rental properties that we're cleaning, so they get pretty trashed.
And there's a lot of guys that put videos up where they're giving advice, financial advice, how to get the carpet business, and there's guys that show a lot of before and afters. All we do is this. We can't give you no good advice. If you want to do the carpet business, it's great, get in it. But we show before and afters and how to do it.
And you got to take your lumps as you learn.
Yep.
Yeah, people sometimes ask me for tips and help to get started, and I don't give them much more than just a basic rundown of how to get started, because it depends on...
I'll tell you how you get started. You get a machine like that, a vacuum cleaner.
Don't spend a lot of money and get started.
You go to an apartment complex and ask the manager if you can clean an apartment for free. If they like you, you just got in business.
Yeah, you don't want to put